We're here to talk about the Schweigen rangehood motors, of which there are three types. There's the onboard motor, which they have in one of their ranges. They have their external motor, which most people are familiar with, but they also have this inline motor. It's a German engineered Isodrive inline motor. The inline motor is mounted in a single-storey house. It'll be mounted in the roof cavity, or in the event of a double-storey house, it'll be usually built into a bulkhead. The advantage of having the inline motor is to keep the noise out of the kitchen where you're cooking, but it also contains it within the house so that there's no complaints from the neighbours about noise, or if you have an outdoor dining area, you can't hear the rangehood running while you're out there dining. Imagine this mounted in your roof space. It comes with sound deadening rubber feet. It also has these backdraft shutters which stop air from re-entering the house. It has a very energy efficient German made motor. It also comes with the necessary ducting, and it has a 10-year warranty. In a two-storey application, the motor needs to be mounted in a bulkhead, once again with the Schweigen steel flex ducting, which needs to be kept nice and tight. This can be used in a multi-storey apartment building where it can be vented into the central ducting system. In terms of venting the air outside the house, for two-storey houses there's a wall mounting vent, and for a single-storey house we have a roof vent. If you've ever tried to have a conversation while you're cooking, or maybe watch a program on the television, you'll understand why the Schweigen inline motor will solve that problem. If you want to find out more, go to schweigen.com.au.